Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Sheet you need. Click File, then choose Version History, then see Version History to open the right panel. Once done, make sure you are signed into the account that has access, otherwise you'll see limited detail. You'll immediately see timestamps and named versions on the right. You're now ready to pick a version to inspect. Don't click Restore, yet if you only want to review changes. Instead, proceed to the next step to compare edits and authors. You click any timestamp or named version to load that snapshot of the sheet. You'll see colored highlights showing cells changed and the author names. This explains who edited what and why. Once the snapshot is loaded, you can scroll and interact to verify values and formulas as they were. If you want a precise comparison, use the three-dot menu to compare with the current version or another snapshot. This helps you isolate differences without altering the live sheet. You can restore a snapshot by clicking Restore this version, which makes that snapshot the current live sheet. Alternatively, make a copy or name the version first if you want a safety backup. This prevents accidental overwrites. Once restored, confirm formulas and linked data are intact. If versions aren't appearing, check you're signed into the correct Google account and that the sheet is stored in Drive with versioning enabled. Lacking edit permissions often hides version details, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.